Hello everyone. I welcome you in the new Unreal Engine tips and tricks tutorial. So this is the continuation of the Unreal Engine tutorial actually. So this is one of my running project. So today I will show you how you can, let's imagine your project is done. You are ready to build a game, okay, ready to export in the game mode and ready to export in like a exe file. So how can you do that? So previously we did the building that project zip, okay, that which is in the Unity is called the Unity package creation, and this is the project zip, okay, to send the full project to somebody else. Now I will show you that how you can target a platform like a Windows platform, like a Mac platform, or any other platform, web-based or any other platform, and export a game out of it. Okay, so how can we do that? Let's say our game is ready. So before doing that, we have to do one thing, that that player starts. Okay, see the things is player start. It's like a cylinder, and it's like a the game mechanics is there. You can see the icon is there. So usually what is that or what is it is actually, if you click on play button, there is a mannequin. You can, you just like a game, you can move her, you can do whatever things, and this is the full scale of the project. So as you can see that you can control her with the WASD key. So how can we export this game, this test game, or whatever you're gonna call this scene, whatever. So press escape button. So first of all, you have to set your starting player start, that where the game should start or where the project should start. So something like this. So every time she will start from here. Okay. Okay. So now what we have to do is, let's go to the platform. You see the platform. Let's go to the, before going to do that, we have to go to the package setting. Okay, for a package setting, it's a huge menu actually. So you have to, from the description, you have to do this one, fill up this one. Okay, and game tags, you can do this. The only thing is, like packaging. In the packaging, you can full rebuild. You can check this one. If you have a full complete game, then you can click this one. But this one is the only for the test, so I will leave it like this. But you have to, if you have a full build, you must check this one. But I will just tick the untick. And what you need to do is you see the quality, that debug, game, and development. Right now it's the development, but when you have a full game, then you must choose the shipping mode. Okay, you must choose the shipping mode from here. That's one of the thing. And then there are a lot of things that supported platform. Yes, supported platform. See all the things, all the platforms, that Android, iOS, Linux Arma 4, Mac, and lastly Windows. So leave it like that, or you can check. You can have only one, but leave it like that. And also, let's say targeted hardware. Okay, you can choose this desktop. Okay, desktop or mobile. What version what platform you gonna choose, that desktop or mobile. Okay, you can choose from here. And the quality, maximum and scalable. Okay, so this is the basic setting you have to go through, and you have to control. And one of the things is like this. You go for the map and modes. Okay, map and modes. you need to choose the editor startup map. Okay, so the game first, where is the what player will see what level at first. Okay, this is the section. You can choose, there are several maps. Okay, you can choose your map, that I want to see this map. I want to see my station building map, so I click on a station building map. Okay, and leave it like this. You can choose this station building map as well in this section. So this one is the game default map and also the editor startup map. Usually you can, if you have any like a main menu, what players should see in the main menu, you can provide this map is here, and then the game default map is here. But I have to test this map, actually this asset. So I just leave like that. That two maps is station building map, and here is also a station building map. Okay, so this one you have to fix that, otherwise you can export the wrong map. Okay, if this is not correct, then you can export the wrong map. Okay, and this is for all, and just go cross that, and then you have to go to there again, and you have to go to the windows, because you are building with the windows. And then you can choose this one also here, that see the shipping default debug. And so this is the number one is currently used, that use the project setting. Okay, development mode. So now is the development mode and desktop device. Okay, all you need to do is now package project. Okay, select the package project. So now it's asking for the kind of uh, like a location. So you can have a test case location. Okay, delete this one. Okay, for the test, you just select the folder and select the folder. Okay, you just select the folder that where the Unreal will export this one, and select the folder. And you see the button, this packaging project for Windows. Okay, so this label is creating is packaging and creating for Windows. Okay, the playable version is creating in the Windows. So wait for a bit. Unreal is working, so wait for a bit to pack up all the things and give it a playable version. It's a game version. Okay, it's done. Okay, as soon as it's done, make sure that all your objects are saved. They're all saved. Okay, and now you have to close that, and you find the test, and you find this one, that's Windows, and you find this is your game version. Okay, so this is the engine version, and this is the things, and this is the kind of like a exe file. This is also, obviously this is an exe file, so you can see that exe application exe. Okay, as soon as you click on this, the game will start. Click game or project or whatever. You see, now I am in a game mode and a full view, and I can control the player around my project. My buildings looking good as it is in the viewport. My building looking good in the viewport. So yes, I can jump and I can do whatever, you know kind of like, yes, everything is good and sunlight is here. Okay, so yeah, so now this is fully game, and you can send it to someone else. They can play it, and they can have a kind of a review, and they can have an opinion on it. So yes, my projects are looking exactly as it is in the viewport. And the quality is development quality is not full version quality, but it's looking quite nice. Okay, with the player, you can jump and you will have the basic movement. So okay, so this is how you're gonna export the game, export the game in Unity. You have a you know, in Unity you have this one is build game. So in here is the export game. So guys, this is it. So I think you will go through the settings and give it a good practice, and I will come again in a later video. Thank you very much.